In this video, we are going to see how we can add spotlight on a lighthouse or street light. Welcome to PowerPoint Solar tutorial. So for this, what you need to do is you need to download a couple of images from the internet, and which I have already downloaded, and insert the image, and this image is bigger than the page. What you need to do is just go to the picture format and use the 16:9 ratio, exactly fit into the page. And then what you need is you need to go to the format picture and decrease the brightness. So probably you can keep it something like -40 or -50, so that you can see the spotlight very well in the dark mode. So once you have done the brightness, chosen the brightness, now the next step is you need to choose the appropriate shape. So go to this shape, and now you need to rotate, and then imagine that exactly the spotlight is coming from the lighthouse. Make the shape in such a way that it exactly fit into the lighthouse. Make it really lengthy, and then you keep the mouth of this cone smaller, so that it will be very nice that the light is coming out from the lighthouse. So keep it exactly fit into that image, that lighthouse. And once you have done, what you need to do is now you need to change the color of the spotlight. So for that, you need to right click on the shape, right click on the shape, go to format shape, and you take the choose the gradient color. And here you need to choose two colors. One is white on the left, and on the right also white. There is no color in the middle. Delete it. And once it is done, then you keep the right to 100% transparency, so that you can see the transparent image on the light, and it looks natural light. Once it is done, then you need to remove the line of the shape. Now you see the light is coming from the lighthouse very well, and it looks natural. In this way, you can create a spotlight on the street light as well. That is all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video and want to see new video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button. Okay, we will see in another video with another tutorial. Thank you.